A wise man once said, "The moment you change your perception is the moment you rewrite the chemistry of your body." You must train your mind to see something good in everything. And if light is in your heart, you will find your way home. Life is amazing, and then it's awful, and then it's amazing again. And in between the amazing and awful, it's ordinary and mundane and routine. Breathe in the amazing, hold on for the awful, and relax and exhale during the ordinary. That's just living, heartbreaking, soul-healing, amazing, awful, ordinary life. And it's breathtakingly beautiful.